The funding that pays for federal defendants who cannot afford to have a court-appointed attorney has run out.
Yeah, that means a growing number of criminal cases could stall and some defendants may be left without legal representation. News
19's Shelly Garzone is explaining.
We will not be paid, we haven't been paid, and we won't be paid again until the next fiscal year starts if there is enough money in the budget to pay us then.
It's the reality panel attorneys like Renee Alt-Summers are facing. On July 3rd, the program that pays court-appointed private attorneys like her to represent federal criminal defendants ran out of funding. Alt-Summers tells me since then, they've gone without pay.
We don't get paid until either the end of our case, or even if we get interim payments, they are based upon work we have already completed. So the money that is owed is money that we have already worked for. We have already performed our tasks to earn that money.
Panel attorneys are defense lawyers who agree to serve on a court's Criminal Justice Act panel.
Most people who are charged with a federal crime cannot afford to hire a private attorney. So their cases either go to the federal public defender or to attorneys on the CJA panel.
But work for these attorneys has not stopped. They continue to take on cases.
Everything we are being told is to continue to bill as normal, and the judges are continuing to sign off on those bills, and they will be put into a queue to be paid when there is money again.
The judicial branch's Defender Services program, which is funded by Congress, pays the CJA panel. Recently, several South Carolina federal judges wrote a letter to this attorneys group worried about the lack of funding. They say the judiciary is seeking more funds for this fiscal year. They go on to say, quote, "If this is not successful, it is critically important that Congress fully fund the judiciary's budget request for fiscal year 2026, including funds necessary to address the current funding deficit." Attorneys say the lack of funding is impacting nearly 12,000 CJA attorneys nationwide.
It keeps people in jail longer than normal, which obviously drives up the costs, not only for the courts, but also for taxpayers. Anytime these cases face any type of delay, it's going to increase the costs and increase the physical and emotional toll on our clients and their families.
Shelly Garzone, News 19, WLTX.
Shelly, thank you so much.